Hello, today we will be making some delicious banana preserves. Stay until the end and you will learn how to make this easy recipe. We start this delicacy with 4 pounds of very ripe plantains. Remove the skin and cut them into pieces of approximately 4 centimeters. Now, with a hole puncher, we will make a puree with the banana pieces. We add pieces to the puree so that there are no lumps or unprocessed parts of the banana. In a small saucepan, place a teaspoon of sweet cloves and add a cup of water. Let this essence boil over high heat for 5 minutes. Now, in a medium saucepan, place all the puree over medium heat and immediately add 2 cups of sugar. We also add the essence we made with the sweet cloves and begin to stir the mixture. Stir the mixture constantly to prevent sticking until it takes on a reddish color. When it gets close to this consistency, do not stop stirring the mixture. In 5 more minutes it will be ready. It is time to place the mixture in a greased mold. When you finish placing it, flatten it with a plastic paddle and let it cool and then cut it. Separate the canned product from the mold with a plastic spatula and unmold. Cut the canned food into 4 equal parts. Cut again to the desired size and coat each piece with sugar. With this delicious recipe you will surprise your family and friends, and you will be able to keep this sweet for a long time without refrigerating. If you liked my sweet, leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this one.